So you check out a really cool website, but what if you wanted to come back to that specific website without having to look for it once again? I'm going to show you how to save some bookmarks directly through Chrome. The first method, which is the one-click star, is going to be really easy. The fastest way to save any page into the star method, which is into the upper side, we have the URL of my website. If I like someone or something that I see in here, what I just need to do is to look out for the star that appears here into the right section. When I click directly here into star, it will be setting bookmark added. You can give an actual new name. For example, let's say the name, in this case, let's go for Brave Browser. In my case, I'm going to go for install this browser. The folder usually focused for my Bookmarks Bar, and I hit for done. Just like that, it will be appear directly inside here. So if I close this website by accident, I can always try to click into the star element and it will be sending me directly back into this element stuff. Now the second method is the bookmark bar, which is Ctrl+B to toggle this specific bar. So you can see that here we can actually click the little locked icon next to the website address and drag it directly into the bar. So it's permanently button and you can click to this anytime. And to find this, you wanted to make sure that here into these three dots I go for bookmarks list, and you can see that we have the bookmark, show all the bookmarks, and even we have the actual bookmark manager to check out all of the bookmarks that we have checked out so far. There are more things to come, for example the show all bookmarks that appears directly inside here, and you can organize them by folder if you wanted to. So this is a prop tip that I can give you, because folders are really going to be really helpful, and sometimes you can group them for all to work sites, for example travel sites. It keeps your browser looking clean, professional, while keeping everything you needed within reach. So no more lost tabs and no more cluttered screens. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the button, subscribe to this video or this channel, and check out more tutorials that we have daily totally for you and for free into YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you next time.